Atkins Fabrication. And some good morning, y'all. Saturday morning. I'm down here working on the hold down clamp so I can make this milling machine the fixed jaw for the vise for the milling machine. Not trying to be racist, but the Chinese people wrote me back, right? And they said to me that by the engineers looking at it, my fault. Whoa. Obviously, I was the one typing the device down. That's obvious. But manufacturer error is the faulting of this. You're using cheap casted parts. Look at that. Look how grainy that is, bro. You see what I'm saying? Like literally ate and destroyed those threads. Excuse me, I dropped the phone, y'all. Camera drop, camera drop. And here's how you know it ain't a mistake. Because they have it on the other side too. Which means it's not a mistake, it's a fault. This ain't like a person coming up and telling me my homeboy's a crackhead and I got to hear from 3 people. No, this happened twice to the same part. Same thing. That is a manufacturer error. That is structural breakdown. And I didn't ask them people for a whole vise, bro. Look, there ain't nothing wrong with the vise itself right at this moment. Alright? All I need is that fixed jaw. But they told me it was my fault that it happened. So you can imagine what I told them, right? I hope so. Because I'll tell you if you want me to tell you. However, here's the dealie. I'm going to make these hold down clamps. And we're going to make some studs. And then we're going to come over here to the table and we're going to clamp that chunk of steel down after I get it cut. And we're going to mill that out right here. And we're going to make us our fixed jaw. We got to mill a square. 2 hidden thread cap head screw holes. I call them hidden because they're on the bottom. You can't see them on the surface. And then we gotta cut a slide out for the keyway. And then we gotta tap 2 holes in the front in order to take the jaw itself. Can cause severe opioid withdrawal that can lead to hospitalization or overdose. Get emergency help if you have trouble breathing, become very drowsy with slowed or shallow breathing, or feel faint, very dizzy, or confused, or if you have fever, stiff muscles, confusion, rash, swollen glands, or problems with your liver, kidneys, heart, or lungs. That's a lot to deal with on side effects of a drug, bro. Oh. So yeah, right here, it's a piece of steel up in here. It's about 3/8 round. We're going to use this to make studs. I'm going to take this and we're going to release it in here. We ain't going to have to deal with this soon. We will send it out that back. And then I want to look over here, and I think this is the one we're going to need. I think. That's it. That's it. I'm hitting something. Mess up my inside of my collar, man. What the hell? I'm going to order a new one of them now.
Were you able to return home to your family? Yes. Why are you here at Brandy Station? A D M I R Were these your men, General Bowman?
We were already aware of two Bowmans who had spent time at the graffiti house, Private Michael Bowman and Sergeant Alan Bowman. During this session, we made contact with someone entirely different who identified himself as General Bowman. But research revealed that there was indeed a General Bowman, Alpheus Henry Bowman, although that was not his rank during the Civil War. He was a native of Virginia, but served as an officer in the Pennsylvania Volunteer Infantry and Artillery units. It's certainly possible that he may have been at the graffiti house at some point during the Civil War.
So yeah, we got to get on making that jaw though, man. That's like a must. If that jaw don't give me, we're at a standstill because I ain't really got no hold down clamps right now. I'm still working on that. So they got an old saying: more work, less talk. Be right back. All right, so here's our setup. I think I just took a picture too, but this is our setup, and here's where we're at. Coming back to full gear. Oh, no, that's right. That's right. No. Let me go this way. not bad. I ain't hit that washer. I ain't hit that washer, yeah. That's alright. Alright, so we're good right here. We're going to have to get this laid out now. To where we can get our slots put in it. And then we got to drill hole. And they're done. We got to follow around them in order to get the finish that we desire. So far, that's about it right this minute. We're only 16 minutes into it though, baby. We're still going to show you a little bit on the lathe also. And we're going to jump back into this setup and swivel it around a little bit to where we can get some work done on that end. But I got to get some slots put on that other side first so I can bolt it down to the table. Order of operation. Remember that. And machining, the key to machining, to get your machining right from what I observed. Order of operation. What was it?
Is there somebody there that wants to speak with me? Got a weird glimpse of light over here.
Old Annie, I can't remember. It's a little thing that you use with it, and it helps you to remember. But I can't remember the little thing. I'll remember this though. So I know that like it's order of operation. You always want to go in the steps that you have to take to get to where you got to get, because it's gonna work in your favor on many levels. Like
Because if you watch, when I bring it down,
a lot less chip distribution versus faster material remover. So most people think that you're gonna have a ton of chips with the faster material remover rig. No, that might cut a whole chunk of metal off of it. That ain't getting turned into chips. You see what I'm saying? Like, you gotta follow your order of operations. That's the best advice I can give you if you're a new machinist. Okay? That's the one thing I learned when I worked at Stanley Engineering Corporation. You gotta follow order of operation all the time as a machinist. Period. No ifs, ands, or buts. Because everything is a different operation. Every machine you go to might be working on the same part, but they are at a different operation in that part. One might be doing threading, one might be doing facing, the other one might be boring out, the other one might be drilling out. I mean, trust me, bro, order of operation. Take my word for that. Be back in a minute.